Do I have a good one for you all today? Happy New Year, because myself, by midnight, I'll be somewhere slumbering, counting sheep or something along those lines. I almost never make it, to the new year, midnight. Um, but I thank you all for visiting again. Please, again, if this content is good and valuable and helpful, hit the subscribe button, leave some comments, put a like there. I'd really appreciate it. We could really use that. And then as a community, we could all help one another. So I thought this was kind of unique. It's a little different. We're going to go over the operating agreement. And as you can see here, I have this screen and it has ChatGPT. Operating agreements are pretty basic overall. They have some specific rules or specific, I wouldn't say rules, but specific details in the operating agreement. And we're going to refer back to all of those documents that we did. We did the operating agreement, or we're doing the operating agreement, but we did the articles of incorporation. We did the EIN. We also did the business license. And we're going to do the operating agreement. Hopefully, or we should, after we do this operating agreement, be able to open a business bank account. So that's very important. Definitely a big deal. We're going to jump into it right now. So this is a really easy task. ChatGPT has a mobile app and it also has a desktop version. It actually lets you do or have a couple of trial runs and see how it works. So we're going to start now where we're going to ask ChatGPT to produce a operating agreement for us. And the business name was Jack to Jack. It was established in Arkansas. The address was 10301 Canis Road, Little Rock, Arkansas 72205. It was a single LLC. Owner was BB Dixon. We're going to use BB Dixon also as the registered agent. And then also we're going to use the date Jack to Jack, oh shucks, LLC was established on 12/17/2024. We're going to also put that in there. And so things in the operating agreement, we definitely always have to have the formation. We also gonna have the amount that was contributed. The contribution account was we're gonna say it's $100. We also gonna the management. We already know who one of the managing members were, which was BB Dixon. We're gonna keep it kind of simple. Um, they're going to have specific rules for the dissolution if you decide to close the business down. And we're going to go there. So we're going to see what happens here. So guess what happens? Chat GPT spits out an operating agreement for you that you still can go to an attorney if you like, which would be good to look over it or someone to look over it. And you can also go and when you sign all your documentations, go to a notary. But we put specifically what we want in the operating agreement. I've done a few operating agreements myself. I've paid $500 for operating agreements. They can be more, they can be less. But again, you see what we put into ChatGPT. We gave it some details, and what happened is ChatGPT spit it out for us. So you can see here the operating agreement of Jack to Jack LLC. It has a date. We have the owner, which is BB Dixon. We stated that it was established in Arkansas. If you go down here even more, let's get rid of this if I can. We don't want more. Let's see if I can hit this down. Sorry, let me get this out the way. Maybe I can't get it out of the way. But um, if you go down even more, the formation, it stated that it was a limited liability company, Jack and Jack LLC. It has the principal address. We use BB Dixon as a registered agent. Like I said, in the future, you shouldn't necessarily be the owner and the registered agent. You would like for that to be separate, if all possible. They actually, are in place to be in behalf of you and the business functions and things of the nature. The formation, again, here was a limited liability company in Arkansas on that particular date. The purpose, we actually are a real estate company. We could have put that in the text there, stating that it was a real estate company. On the business activities, you could change and adjust that, but this is a good template to use going forward. The member again was BB Dixon. The ownership interest was 100% because he was the only member of the business. Your capital contribution was $100, which is here. Um, we're gonna go down the management and operation is a member managed LLC. BB Dixon again have some particular duties. All of this can be adjusted as well, but the distributions and profits again would be 100% to the member there, unless you change that. The duration and termination with the articles. You go down here to miscellaneous details. You can go and adjust that. But what I wanted to do for all of you is just real quickly go over how we can get the Chat GPT to spit out an operating agreement for us and a date and the name there with the business and the member. I wanted to keep that really short. I really appreciate you all today. Again, Happy New Year. Let's be better tomorrow than we were today. Again, like, subscribe. I really appreciate you all, and have a blessed day.